guys, doing this in a different location now because my dad was annoying me. I was like there in the living room. Now I'm here at my Lulu's bedroom. It's just near to the living room, but oh well. And you know what I'm playing? Slime. Oh my god, it might break. Nah. My sister gave it to me and oh yeah.
Huwag mong ihulog ha.
Yeah.
Hindi kita ng lupa.
Oh. What? Wait. Tell me in the comments if I should eat this slime. To be honest, it tastes bad. Smell it. Oh wait, you can't smell it. Well, ew. Wait, I'm gonna make something. Oh my god! It's my break. Wait, I'm making it. It's so ugly. I'll restart. And the whoosh. If you sure how this comment. Okay, it's about to break. Ah. Okay. Now I'm making it. Poop. I smashed it. I know you will hate it, so I smashed it. If you didn't comment. If I said comment a lot, and on this video, on the last, and I'm gonna pause and tell you something, but it's later. God, what happened to my hand? Ah, I guess okay. If you comment how much I said slime. Hey, stop. Thank you. Oh my god!